Easy ways to find success with affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a popular way to make money online, but it can also be very competitive with lots of people trying to market and sell identical products and services. This video contains a number of tips to expand your knowledge of affiliate marketing and help you to optimize profitable marketing techniques. Take the time to see all the options and ads provided by your affiliate program. Putting effort into selecting ads that are relevant and useful to your readers, and trying out different visuals and graphics can help you find the right formula for your site. You also should switch around your ads often. It keeps your site fresh and relevant to your readers. Increasing your productivity in affiliate marketing is about mindset just as much as it is about action. So in order to make sure you have the proper mindset, you should always wait until you experience results before increasing your campaign. Results will give you the confidence to grow and the drive to follow through. Seek out multiple commissions. Many companies offer several different ways to earn revenue, even from the same customer. These companies are some of the best to work for, because they offer you several ways to gain income from a single person. Read all contracts available and try to choose one with this option. It helps make earning money quicker. Many people will eventually ignore or opt out of your emails, so you'll have to find a new audience. Only send your best emails to customers when gauging their interest on first-time contact. By implementing some of the affiliate marketing methods mentioned above and utilizing the advice presented in this video, you should be able to develop some killer affiliate marketing campaigns. Subsequently, you will be well on your way to succeeding in the affiliate marketing field and your monthly income will grow. Now that you have been told the basics of affiliate marketing, the next thing is to join an affiliate marketing program. Traffic is the lifeblood of affiliate marketing. I have very good news for you. You can get highly targeted traffic from YouTube at just 3 clicks of the mouse. How? By using a software called Widely. Widely allows you to create and rank articles and videos with only 3 clicks. You don't need to create an article, create backlinks, or know SEO technique. The software does it for you. These are some of the things that the software will do for you. 1. Reverse engineers Google and Yelp ranking system. 2. Finds untapped buyer keywords that can easily be exploited. 3. Gets you ranked thanks to perfect SEO optimized titles, DSC and tags. 4. Works in English, French, or any other language, and in any niche. 5. Drives 100% free visitors from Google and YouTube. 6. Tap into the massive potential of SEO without actually knowing SEO. Best of all, if you have any doubt, try for 30 days and if for any reason you are not 100% satisfied, you will get your money back 100%. For a similar platform on the internet, you will be paying a minimum of $97 a month. But with Vividly, you will make only a one-time payment of $47 if you purchase directly from the original creators by clicking the link in the description. Click the link in the description to learn more.